Welcome investors, Frankie here. I hope you're having a great day. I certainly am. Today we're talking about Cciv stock yet again, and the rumor is still circulating, day by day getting stronger and stronger. I am very bullish because I've got two things today that we're going to talk about that I personally believe is starting to add a level of certainty to the whole situation that I am very confident with. As I speak, the stock sits at 1860 after hours, and boy oh boy is this stock looking tasty. Just remember, this is a place of discussion. This is not financial advice. And if you do enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Without further ado, let's get into the news. So I've seen a few YouTubers talk about this, and I've actually looked at the website today myself. And there was 3 new job vacancies open, and then we're going to go over the 3 of them and a tiny bit about what they are. So we have number 1, reporting manager. And this has to do with protecting investors, maintaining fair and orderly of security markets, and facilitating capital formation. This is pretty much just to do with the SEC. Number 2, we have director of investor relations. Their job is to support, develop, and execution of annual and long-term investor engagement plans, which may include organizing conference participation, roadshows, and investor meetings, and creating presentations and other communication materials to support these analyst investors and other investment ecosystem events. Fuck me, I have a lot to eat. And finally, we have number 3. Looks like a 3 to me. An analyst and investor relation, and their job role is to interact closely with all domains within Lucid to develop materials for use in communications with investors, shareholders, and board of directors. Now, these are 3 job roles that are closely linked to investor relations and doing so forth in the stock market and having their stock go public. So what does this tell us? You don't just look for these 3 individuals and these 3 job roles. You don't just post them for no reason other than if you, in fact, you're either the biggest troll worldwide or you've got a goal, and you've got a goal in place that you're actually going to go public. And you know, it's a good sign for us. Again, it doesn't necessarily mean the rumor is true, but this further strengthens the argument that we're actually going for. So that's the job roles, and we're going to talk over CEO Michael Klein having his chat at Fireside with IPO Edge. So to put it short, he's asked about the merger. He can only really give 2 answers. He can either say no, and you know, all our hopes and dreams are shattered and we go crying to our mummies and daddies and we lose a lot of money, or he could say the words, you know, no comment or something in those regards, which in fact he did. This is essentially the best news we could ask for, because he cannot say yes. It's illegal to say yes. He can't just announce the merger before all parties have agreed to it and, you know, it actually came out. So yeah, he's kind of done us a solid there by saying what he did say, and again, further strengthening the argument that we're talking about in this video is that is the rumor true, and can we put our money into this stock right now on the basis of a rumor? And certainly from everything I've read in the last video, in today's video, I'm very bullish still. So let's go into new price predictions very quickly. So I predicted yesterday that we were going to go up as market opens. We did. We then actually came back, which again I predicted, but I did not predict that we were going to go up like we did at the end of the day and sit around 1670, which was surprising. Now the more information comes out, like what we've talked about today, it's not so surprising, and I'm actually a bit gutted I didn't put more shares into it at a lower price. But today we sit pre-market at 1887, and you know, that's pretty high. Again, I'm not sure if we're going to go up from that straight away or come down, but personally, with the upwards momentum and the likelihood of this being true, I believe we're going to continue to move forward. I wouldn't be at all surprised if we break the 20 mark at some point today, but then I'd be more than happy for a pullback, because you know, when there's a pullback, that makes shares and stuff more cheaper for us, which is good because our initial investment and my average cost can go down. So I'm going to be looking all day for this stock to go down at some point. I want to be invested near the 16, the 15, hopefully, if we can even go down there for a second to grab some more shares. I personally don't think we're going to go that way. I think I've kind of screwed the pooch and missed out a tiny bit with adding to shares. But, you know, we're in the hype zone at the moment, and if anyone knows anything about the stock market, is when there is hype, we're just going through the roof. But anyway, that is CCIV and hopefully Lucid Motors. If you did enjoy the video at any point, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and talk to me in the comment section below. I want to know how many shares you've got of this company, if you're even invested, what you actually think about the news coming out. Do you think it is Lucid Motors? And talk to me. Have I missed out anything? Is there anything that I can go and read? Maybe there's a link or something that I have missed. And yeah, let's talk about it, people. And I hope we can all get very, very wealthy together. Anyway, I'll see you later, and I'll see you in the next video.